Hi friends, happy to see you all once again in this video. In this video, we are going to see the Smitch Smart Bulb. It is an Indian brand. They are continuously launching these smart bulbs and smart appliances in an aggressive price. We all have to appreciate and support that company. It's not a sponsored video. It's fully retail unit only. Let's go and unbox and come back for full review. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and make the bell icon enabled to all. Thank you. Let's go into the video. Ordered our bulb from Flipkart. I have ordered this bulb in Flipkart Big Billion Days for just 300 rupees only. Now it's cost around 500. No worry, if you have any Christmas offer, you can use it to buy this bulb because in Christmas and all we will do lighting for our houses, color lightnings. So you can choose this bulb for our home decoration also. Let's see what the features or anything smart, what it is in it for 300 rupees. Let's see, is it value for money or is it worth for buying or not worth to buy or waste. Let's see in this video detailedly. By the end of video you can get a good opinion about this bulb, what about this, what is this bulb, all will you get. This is the invoice. Let's take away the box and see the bulb. Flipkart packaged the bulb very good as a glass product. They handled very carefully with so many cardboards. This is our outer look box of the bulb. Let's remove the wrapper of the bulb and see what is inside the box. I think video is getting too boring. Let's go fast. Open it. Oh, it's not opening, sorry. Okay, I opened finally. Some paperwork is given. I think it is a warranty information or something about this bulb. We don't want that and all. Let's go what in the bulb. You all know bulb will glow only while you are reviewing and all. Just we have to put one content, right? So what we are doing this video, and so many of them may see the bulb in the Big Billion Days. Why this bulb? They are buying and good ratings. So what I bought this bulb for you. You can scan this QR code to customize the colors and mode of this bulb. We can use 16 million colors. In the marketing purpose, they said we can't do 16 million colors, but we hope we can change 30 plus colors or 35 colors. In box rate it given 1200 rupees. We got luckily for 300. Now it cost around 500. nothing a issue. It looks like a normal bulb only, anything not different in it. Like normal LED bulbs, it's a 10-volt bulb, and they included the smart IoT things. It will control and customize our bulb coloring and mood of this bulb. It is a base 22 bulb only, not a foreign bulb. It is compatible with Indian holders. Let's see how light will go. I just connected my bulb with my battery. We can't play with 240 volts home current, because if anything done wrongly, I will go. So I just connected this bulb with a 40 watts battery. I didn't install any app to change this color. This is default. Even if you put in the home holder also, it will change the colors for 3 seconds. Other colors will come, like now it's blue, green, purple, violet, like that is coming. If you don't have app or smartphone, you can just put your bulb in your home for great looking. If you want to customize the mood and you want to change the colors, you can download the My Smitch app. Its link is given in the description. You can download it from it. Thank you.
I hope all enjoyed this video and the product in this video. It is a smart bulb coming with smart features, like we can change the colors, brightness, and we can adjust the bulb to control with the music sync, how the music will play, like that the bulb will glow. So many things we can customize in this bulb through the small app. They provided the app in the box. We can scan the QR code and install the My Smitch app. In My Smitch app, we have to sign in, and if you are not having, you have to sign up, and after sign in, and you can control the all customization in this app. Likewise, it is the RGB bulb, so you can change up to 16 million colors. It is in that box, but we can't change 16 million colors. We can't hope that, because it is only for marketing purpose only. We can standardize 30 colors, we can change, I hope. So I think you all enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt and queries, please ask in the comment section. I think you have one doubt. You said you can control this bulb in the voice, but you have a current active internet connection. I am not having router or broadband in my house, because I am currently in my house. I am used to stay in Bangalore. In my house, no active internet connection is there, so I can't enable to show that feature. If you have Wi-Fi or router in your home, you can connect your bulb and Wi-Fi in a connection, and you can control with the voice assistant through your phone or Alexa, Google Nest Mini. I hope you understand this video. If you have any more doubts, ask in comment section. I will surely reply to you. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Time of Joel.